Hello friends, so in the previous video we discussed about the post elements blocks. Now we will discuss about the media section as we added some images in the media. So if you click on media library, so you can see some images are appearing here which we have used in our website. So these images we can use anytime in our website. This is the first thing of the media library. Second thing, like if we click on add new and select file, and then we can add the image. For example, this one I want to add, I will add, and this one now is appearing in the media library, but in future I can use this image in my post pages anytime. So this is the media library, and we can add new also from here. And the one more thing of media library, like if we want to delete like bulk, then we can select bulk like this, and one by one, and then you can delete them permanently. So like this also, sometimes we need to delete more than one image, then you can delete like this. So media library is this. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe my channel.